tell me you want to look at it? I would prefer that I have in writing while that is.
You requested the executive session.
Yes.
Consider by Ms. Debbie.
Yes.
The firing. No action was taken, so I guess no vote was taken. I mean, had there been
no vote taken when I was in there. No vote was taken when I was in there. And I think I was in there wrong.
State. Raises are from the state, not the board, right? He's a state employee.
Well, that's not what you referenced going into the executive session. You referenced the matter had come up involving you, and you,
I made, yes.
not involving your secretary, involving you.
But I tried to get her to
So that's what was, that's what.
There were two items discussed in the executive session. Both of them were personnel issues. I don't know what else I'm supposed to say.
So personnel issues are unilaterally covered?
I don't know.
They're not. Promotion, demotion.
You want to FOI some stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I mean, I'll have to
I'll
go
take
back.
you in here now. You write down a piece of paper.
I'll give you a grade from the daily live.
The attorney gave them.
We're across the street. I'll type something up on our stationery.
Just email it to me and just tell me what you're going to give
What's
me
your
half.
email?
See if I get that. Let me give you.
You got it?
I don't have to email. Get his email address. Hey,
No, this is quiet. She's a state employee. She knows the rules. Unofficially, she's a state employee. So he can tell you the rules of Bragg's better than he can.
I mean, I'm not exactly. We can sit here and make.
State email.
What's the first?
My initials L.E.
L-E, okay.
So is Best Bail Bonds closed or isn't it closed? Because they've not received any notice of this.
Who are you, please?
I am the sister of Beth right here.
Oh, okay. I just didn't have a clue what you were. What do you want copies of?
Everything. Oh, I guess. How do you close this?
Well, I think that becomes a legal matter. I'll give you a copy of anything in the folder, but I'm not going to make a comment.
Okay, I just want to cover it.
Because I haven't received notice.
Now, I'm not trying to give you a hard time,
I
okay?
would like to know where you spent money and all that.
Oh, okay. Ron?
Because,
Oh, did you tell him T-Worry's been set aside?
and because that wasn't even
An issue.
Beth or whoever's that, you're asking for it? Bring her out a ledger of expenditures on the money and just give it to her.
I need the order that you gave to the bank.
Go ahead and cross.
There's a stack of them in here. How long you got?
We got all day. I got all day.
You-
We only received notice
I would strongly suggest you go get some lunch and give us time to pull it all
I mean, we
together,
only-
'cause it's
we
not
only
gonna-
asked
It's
for-
not gonna happen in 5 minutes.
Well, we only asked for, you only asked to see as much money on the Calvin Stovel judgment.
I'm not gonna get into commenting on what we
Okay,
did and what we
I'll just
didn't
take a
do.
list of the.
Yeah.
That's easy.
But I'm gonna
But
suggest.
when
you
did
go
the
get some lunch or something and come back.
when did
It's
the
gonna
bail
take-
bond board
it's gonna
close
take
her?
quite a
She hasn't been
while.
given any
Yeah,
notice.
I mean, there's something that shows you closed to be able to appeal it.
And the statute says if a
Y'all
10,000
are
is taken, it's
y'all are trying to
reinstated.
throw out some accusations, and I'll be very honest.
I mean, okay then, here's just an easy question. What is our status?
Are they
Y'all are
suspended? Well,
Are we
after the
closed?
Y'all are suspended.
Okay.
well after
There's a
the
huge difference.
but after
Well,
the
yeah,
$10,000 is
told us
taken,
we were closed.
after
Who
the
told you specifically?
hint.
Got to record it.
Play the recording.
Play the recording.
No, I'll do it later.
No, y'all are suspended.
No,
But the-
closed.
No,
He's
I'm telling you, y'all are suspended.
well,
Okay,
the statute says after $10,000 is taken, you got to reinstate them. It
Look.
hasn't been reinstated.
You know, y'all can make this as contentious as
I'm
you
not.
want.
I'm just
That's
trying.
up to y'all.
I'm just trying to ask what.
What I'm telling you, What
Which
I'm
specific
telling you.
thing are we suspended on?
what I'm telling you, what I'm trying to. Y'all are making a lot of accusations.
Really?
Some of them, are just so far out of there that it's pretty weird. But that's okay. I don't really have any problem with that. Everything we have is FOIable. You can have a copy of anything we've got. If there's a social security number on it that we have to redact, we'll redact it. But good Lord, it's no big deal. But it's not going to be something that I can go hit the button and make you a copy of in 10 minutes. You're welcome to go eat lunch if you want to and come back.
So you can't just tell me why we're suspended?
Yeah, from court orders. And I can show them to you, but if you want copies, it's not gonna be
Are
something.
you talking about the 5 you gave to the AG?
I don't know how many it is without looking. I deal with a lot of companies. Do you think I know everything's done specifically?
I would hope you would if you went to
No.
$100,000 and you knew you
No.
could only take 10.
No.
Yes.
That's a statute.
See, you're making accusations there, and I'm not.
You're going to say
get
you
into
didn't go in and collect that from my
You're
bank?
making
Okay,
accusations.
I just need the, what do I need? That printout?
Well, and we want to see a copy of an order from the board showing
us on
they're
those
suspended.
judgments.
And I'll
Because
be happy.
the board cannot pass a regulation that violates and overrides state
But I'm
law
telling you,
or
folks, as
city
long as
versus
you're sitting
state.
out there making accusations, I can't have my staff be doing it. I can't be doing it. It's gonna take a little while.
Well, you got all the
So
time you
I
want.
suggest you come back in a little while. If you want to, if you want to sit down out there, that's fine. We don't care.
How is it you can suspend somebody without them
Ma'am,
going
you're
from the board?
asking me, and I know you're recording it, and
Well,
that's
I will.
fine. You're asking me to tell you something that at this point, it's an ongoing situation, and quite frankly, I don't think that you have the right to be asking that question,
Okay,
other than the
can you
fact
tell-
that you're a
okay,
citizen.
okay,
Are you an
my-
officer of the corporation?
I don't have to be to
Are
ask
you
something
an
that's.
officer of the
I
corporation?
am not an officer. I am a
Okay.
public, and it's freedom of information.
And
We're
you
allowed to
can
be
do
in here.
that.
We're asking.
You
I'm
can do
asking
that.
you for
But I'm not
information.
gonna get
I'm
into-
asking you what executive session you
I'm through
had
talking to
that
you.
you suspended a license, because I'm about to file in court, and you're going to be answering to a circuit judge by next week.
That'll be fine.
And that's great,
So
because it's a
what-
criminal
what
act.
do we actually, I mean, because we don't have a clue, what do we have to fix to get ours?
Because you can't even tell me.
Do you want to come in and have
Yeah.
a good visit? And, you know, as long as you're not visiting, that's, or I don't care if you have somebody here, but it's not going to be a shout.
I don't know. Listen to him bullshit. He won't be the director very much longer, I can tell you that much. I need to learn what procedure and statutes are. What? That's okay.